I am the director of inpatient practices. My job essentially is to really support my managers and make sure that all of them are really able to keep their specific areas running on all cylinders. But it's to also just make sure that my providers feel supported and to really kind of be that bridge between them practicing medicine and us being able to, do the administrative side of things as well. I am a firm believer I wouldn't have the role that I have now had I not gone to SVSU. I took the scribe class at SVSU back in 2016. So my bachelor's is in kinesiology. So I had, again, done that when I thought I wanted to be a doctor, was doing more of my science classes. And then I had decided somewhere in my senior year that I knew I wasn't going to pursue medicine and that I was going to pivot instead to healthcare administration. It's an honor, honestly, to be able to touch that many pieces of Covenant. This is the hospital where my family and my friends go to, and so to be able to be so connected to all of those different pieces within this system specifically has been a really cool opportunity to be able to feel that close and to feel like I'm making a difference. Being able to help keep the provider teams here successful and make them feel supported, I think is definitely the most important part of my job, and I think is ideally where I hope that I have a lasting impact. I love Covenant. Clearly it's the only place that I've worked since I was 20 years old, but I think what we do here is really special. I think the culture is incredible.